Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Gather a Windows 7 ISO and a valid product key, and verify your PC's drivers for Windows 7 compatibility. Once done, create a full system image and a file backup to an external drive so you can recover if needed. Make a bootable USB with Rufus or Microsoft tool and ensure Secure Boot is disabled and SATA mode set to OSI in firmware. You're ready to reboot into the installer immediately. Boot from your prepared USB and choose Custom. Delete the Windows 10 partitions and select Unallocated Space to create new partitions and format as NTFS. This ensures a clean install. While the installer copies files, make sure your system stays plugged in and do not interrupt the process. After first boot, immediately install chipset, storage controller, and network drivers so Windows 7 can access devices and Windows Update workarounds. Then install display and vendor drivers to stabilize the system. Once Windows 7 is running, run Windows Update and manually install the platform update and any later security patches not found automatically. This improves compatibility. Make sure to install manufacturer drivers for Wi-Fi and GPU from their support pages, then restore your personal files and reinstall apps. If you encounter boot failures or missing drivers, double-check BIOS/UEFI settings like OSI and Legacy Boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.